Guys, when I started this channel, I didn't start to make money. I just wanted to make crypto videos and to become a famous YouTuber, honestly speaking. So I've already seen two bull cycles, and this one will be my third one. And guys, my main source of income is from trading and holding crypto, okay? From YouTube, I don't make anything. And also, in the first and second bull run, I didn't make any money because at that time, I didn't have anything to invest, but I gained a lot of experience. So when I started this channel, I just wanted to make crypto educational videos in basic form. Even if a new person comes to crypto, they should understand everything immediately. So keeping that in mind, I started this channel, and honestly speaking, I really didn't think that I'm gonna be getting 1 lakh subscribers. Guys, even achieving 10,000 subscribers for me was a huge thing because I used to think that I was the most unluckiest guy. So I worked and made videos without expecting any results. So you guys watched my videos, liked my videos, and you guys supported me so much when no one was there with me. And even in my dreams also, I didn't think that I'll be getting these kind of opportunities. I'm being invited to so many crypto events, and all this is possible only because of you. So just recently, I was invited to exchange launching in Dubai, and the exchange was UNS Exchange. Just few weeks back, I made video on UNS token, right? So that UNS token team has launched their own exchange. Yes, they launched their own international cryptocurrency exchange, and that was really amazing.
More than just a platform, UNS Exchange is a Singapore and Dubai-based employee-run movement driven by passion, dedication, and a shared vision to empower the world through digital innovation.
So this exchange launching took place in Dubai, and I was invited for this. So I went there as a guest speaker, and I spoke basic things about crypto and like how to keep your crypto safe. Guys, right now there's so many scammers out there, and investing in crypto is not a big deal, but keeping your crypto safe is a big deal. So I spoke a few things on that in that session. Watch.
As we introduce the stars of the crypto realm, renowned YouTubers and influencers whose dynamic content and expertise have captivated audiences from all over the globe. Let's start by welcoming on stage, of course, CEO Mr. Suresh. All right, let's welcome on stage the first YouTube influencer, Vasu Ravindra, Techno Vas YouTube channel. Thank you, Vasu, for joining us.
First of all, I would like to thank the CEO for giving this opportunity to come on the stage and speak.
And my friend Mr. Vasu, they both are invited here, and I take a great, what to say, it's my great happiness that you are a part of this event, frankly speaking, because my friends, I am telling all of you, even though a lot of scammers have been approaching these influencers with thousands and thousands of rupees or millions of rupees, they are not yielding. They are saying, don't come near us. If possible, Vasu, I ask you only, because what is the way you follow to educate people of doing away with scammers? That's my question to you, please.
Okay, now speaking about scammers, I'm gonna not go in full detail. I'm gonna explain everything in basic things. So in this cryptocurrency field, investing in crypto is not a big deal, but protecting your crypto is very important. So in this industry, there are a lot of scams, like a different type of scams. Like there's rug pull, honeypot scams, cloud mining scams, fake websites, fake wallets. So what people usually will do, they'll take their crypto and they'll keep it on wallets. So hot wallet or cold wallet. Hot wallet, like when it comes to cold wallet, it's 100% safe. But when it comes to hot wallet, Trust Wallet or MetaMask, what they think that it will be safe. But for scammers, it's very easy to grab those tokens from Trust Wallet than exchanges. In exchanges, it's very difficult. It's not at all possible. Sometimes, rarely it happens, but on Trust Wallet, it's very easy to drain everything. So my advice is, I'm gonna give few tips what people should do. For example, if you're holding something on Trust Wallet or MetaMask, and in case if you randomly get any airdrop, no, you shouldn't interact with that. So obviously it will be a scammer. So if we interact with that, then our wallet will get drained. Now the second thing is, if we create a trust wallet and if we hold crypto there, we shouldn't take screenshots of that and hold it in gallery. In case if a phone gets stolen or if anyone sees that, then there's possibility where the wallet could drain. And you shouldn't. And one more thing, scammers have they've come up with so many ways to scam people. So they've developed like bots. We won't be knowing that those bots will be on a phone. So whenever we copy our seed phrase, right, so that bot will copy that and it will send to the scammers. So we shouldn't copy that. Just write down in a piece of paper on a book or in a book and keep it somewhere safe. Never copy that, send it. We shouldn't do that. And the other thing is, obviously we were speaking influencers. So scammers know they create fake accounts in a name, fake IDs on Instagram, YouTube, and they will contact subscribers. Subscribers will think that influencers are contacting us. So obviously they'll believe and they might lose. So this is the basic scam scammers will do. Anyone can use this technique and scam subscribers. And there are ads on social medias where if you invest $100 or $500, after 24 hours you will get $2,500. So you should be away from that. All those things are completely scams. So these are the full basic things. If you are into crypto, then you should look into this. So when it comes to scams, my question is very simple.
Okay.
So we all know that UNS is launching their own blockchain. So how this blockchain is different from other blockchains?
Okay. How are we different from other blockchains? See, we are, as I said earlier, we don't go with stuff that are not synonymous with real life world projects. That's the most important thing. It does not mean that we don't support entertainment. See, if you take entertainment, there is always something you can find where a lot of fiction is there. That I completely understand. It is not that we are against entertainment. We are also for entertainment. But the most important part when it comes to our blockchain is the technicality. Like if you take our blockchain, as I already told you, we are superb in terms of the speed, especially the TPS. We have optimized in the best possible way, and most importantly, how different is UNS blockchain, which is in the test run right now, when compared with others. If I have to say in one concept, most of the blockchain developers, as all of us know, they are either with BTC or with Ethereum. More than 40%, if I am right. I think, yes, it is 100% right. More than 40% of the developers are into those two only, right? Because of which, what we personally feel is there is kind of a there are no people actually to create new blockchain developers who are very much required for the prevailing technical conditions of the globe. You take BTC, there is one technical pattern to it. If you take Ethereum, there is one technical pattern to it, right? But if you take, leaving those two, there are so many other blockchains as well. If you take all the technical patterns of all the other blockchains, 40+% of the developers are with. If you take a statistics, you will be easily able to see that only. New blockchain developers are the need of the hour, is what we personally feel. So our blockchain is going to create new blockchain developers by, as I already told him, by incentivizing them on the one hand, and also by, openly speaking, also by getting a good and quality investors pool to the maximum possible intelligent developers on the planet. Because a lot of people on the planet are very nice developers, because of the lack of bandwidth, they are not able to come up as good blockchain developers, right? What is bandwidth? Bandwidth can be had by any particular developer if only there is financial support. And financial support does not fully cater to the need of a blockchain developer. He needs moral support. More than financial support, he needs moral support. Financial support, moral support, then in terms of exposure that we have to give. For example, if we find people like you, take Mr. Santosh, take you, Vasu, you are all people, I very sincerely salute all of you, because you are all functioning with social responsibility. When we find people with social responsibility who are blockchain developers, we will give space to them to see that they reach extraordinary levels, so that the complete domain is getting a better strength. The reason is very simple. When you go and sit on a particular seat with one power, that seat should feel proud of you. Not you should feel proud of because of that seat. Means you have to add value to the system, but you should not think like how I can loot from the system, or how I can earn from the system, and how I can move forward. It is good, it is important. We have to learn, we have to earn, that's important. But how better we can add value to the system, and that is the reason why on 17th of April, from 17th of April to 21st of April, in the same Dubai, we are conducting blockchain enthusiasts conference in Dubai, and we are inviting 100 blockchain enthusiasts like you, who will come and educate the whole of the world. They will enlighten the whole of the world. Because, you see, there is, if you go to researchgate.net and if you see, you can very easily see. It says 75+ percentage of people haven't heard of the concept blockchain so far. 15% of the people have heard of the concept blockchain, but they have only heard. They don't know anything about it. 3 to 6% of the people only are getting updates on blockchain, which is a very bad news. What is the good news? 75% have knowledge and updates on blockchain. I mean the other way around, that is the good news, right? So for that to happen, UNS is conducting, it's organizing blockchain enthusiasts at Dubai from April 17th to April 21, where we are inviting 100 blockchain enthusiasts from across the globe, and we are organizing everything for them, anything and everything for them, because we want people to come and express themselves, network, share and care for the masses. So it's not only about UNS blockchain's it's not only about the positive difference only the UNS blockchain has, but it's the positivity that the whole ecosystem has when it comes to UNS, and that is how we want to enlighten the whole world about blockchain, because I always call blockchain as God. I have always called in any stage, because God only is transparent. You can talk to God, right? If you trust in God. God only is like, He is ready. If you sit here, here God is there. Anywhere God is. God is omnipresent, God is omnipotent, God is omniscient. That is why we call him God. Generator, organizer, destroyer. So I call BCT as God because of the kind of transparency, because of the kind of security, safety, speed, immutability, and what not. You can add on the features. So this good news has to be spread across the globe, and that is why we are going to very shortly invite people like you to plan of how to go about conducting the blockchain conference. It's not directly we can conduct. We want support from people like you who can come and, of course, add value to the program so that as not only as blockchain but also as an ecosystem, we want to add value to the whole of the industry. Thank you.
So I stayed 4 days in Dubai, went on a helicopter ride. Guys, even though this was my fourth time visiting Dubai, helicopter ride was the first time. So all this credit goes to you. Because of your support, I'm sitting here. Without you, I'm nothing. And I would also like to thank UNS CEO Suresh Satyanarayanan for inviting me and giving me this wonderful opportunity to witness all this. Guys, UNS is carrying out hydroponic farming and so many environment friendly projects in and around Bangalore. So if you want, you can visit that. And Cointelegraph has also published articles on UNS project. So I'll leave that article link in the description of this video. Okay, so you can check that out. So that's it, guys, and thank you so much for all your support. And in case if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Now, in case if you're a subscriber, I'll meet you in the next video. Until then, a peace.